Hello guys, welcome back my channel. This is POV Japan Eats. I'm in Utsunomiya City, Tochigi Prefecture right now. This paper indicates here is cash only, so just grab only cash. And now I'm making reservation to have a seat here. Just touch some button and press just one by myself because of by myself, and just wait a little bit minutes.
焼き1、水1のこれでライス。ライス。はい。
お後ご神経焼きライスです。
A few moments later.
So I'm gonna have this dumpling. In Japan, we normally have Gyoza, which is pan-fried dumpling. This is most famous and common style. As a Japanese, I love Japanese style of fried dumpling, which is Gyoza. It's crispy and juicy. By the way, I changed the style a little bit from this video. I'm speaking with voice instead of using subtitles. I wanna ask about that. What do you think? Do you prefer this style, or should I go back to text subtitles? Let me know in this comment. Like, oh, I like this style video, or oh, I like previous style. Like this, something like that. Anyways, I wanna make you guys happy by Japanese food culture. Oh, this paper says about boiled dumpling. At first, you can enjoy boiled dumpling dipping in sauce. After that, you can add the sauce into the soup, and you can enjoy changing taste. Be careful, it is super hot anyway. This style of dumpling is most famous style of dumpling like in China, like traditional style. This one is pickles of cabbage to reset taste and organize in my mouth. I prefer to have both of Gyoza, each little by little. By the way, this shop is only located in this area like Utsunomiya City. If you are a Gyoza lover, you might have heard of it. It's actually pretty famous among Gyoza fans across in Japan. As you see, this dumpling is still super hot, but unfortunately I'm not good at hot one.
はい、お待たせいたしました。はい。
Here is one branch of Utsunomiya Minmin, but most of them it's gonna be close 8 or 8:30 p.m. So if you want to have, you should be here at least 7:30 p.m. Following note, I'm gonna just pour soy sauce into the soup of boiled dumpling. Taste was changed, but I should have poured more soy sauce on it. It's gonna be changed more clearly, but it's gonna be okay because it was my first time. I don't care. Then, thank you for watching this video and enjoy to the end. Bye.
ごちそうさまでした。お願いします。はい。
会計980円です。
はい。1000円お願いします。
お預かりいたし
はい。
ます。20円のお返しとレシートです。
ありがとうございます。ごちそうさまです。